Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about the discoveries and the contributions of another most eminent French scientist who is also a microbiologist, pharmacist and a chemist from France in 19th century. Okay, he had invented many things which are very important in microbiology. So here I'll discuss about his inventions. The first one, that is with the help of his famous swan neck theory, swan neck flask experiment, he disproved spontaneous generation. Okay, so first thing is he disproved spontaneous generation. Second thing, he invented vaccine for rabies, foul cholera and anthrax, very highly contagious diseases. Okay, so that is the second invention. Third invention is about pasteurization. What is pasteurization? It's basically a sterilization technique, a heating process for liquids, specifically for milk and wine, for their long-term preservation. Okay, so that is third discovery, pasteurization. That is basically a sterilization technique to preserve the milk and wine, because you will learn about him that he also invented the germ theory of diseases and the spoilage of microorganism. That is the spoilage power of the microorganism, because microorganism, they can spoil, they can contaminate the milk and wine if it is not preserved properly. So heating technique, okay, it's heating technique, it's basically a sterilization process, means complete removal of microorganisms from anything. That is sterilization process, and I have already made videos in my channels on these topics. If you want, you can go and check out in my channel. So pasteurization is a very renowned, or it's a very famous discovery of Louis Pasteur, apart from the vaccine techniques and all. And after that, he also invented germ theory of disease. It's another important thing. There are questions also about this theory, that what is the germ theory, who has invented this, in what is the century. Okay, so Louis Pasteur is basically in the period of 1822 to 1895. So he is basically 19th century scientist. In my previous video, I have already mentioned about the Antoine van Leeuwenhoek, who is 17th century scientist. Now he is 19th century scientist. Okay, so germ theory of disease tells about what microorganisms will cause disease, not bad air, because air also contains microbes. So the source of diseases are basically microorganisms. Microorganisms will cause diseases. That is basically the germ theory of disease by Louis Pasteur. And after that, he also discovered about aerobe and anaerobic microorganisms. Aerobe means those microorganisms which needs oxygen for their growth, and anaerobes means they don't need oxygen for growth. That is anaerobe. He also invented and coined the term anaerobes for those microbes. Okay, so these are the important discoveries, very renowned discoveries of Louis Pasteur, and you guys have to learn about it. It will be easier if you follow my channel, and if you really like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.